Good Lord, where am I? Hoover Dam Lodge. The Dam Lodge is where we're staying tonight. And we just left Vegas. The best well-made plans sometimes morph out of control. This morning we were supposed to check out at Circus and get back on the road past Hoover Dam and go on to Sedona. But you know, different things happen. We wanted to see the flamingos at Flamingo Palace, and then we stopped at Target, and then we decided to shop a little bit, and then we wanted to see the show at the Mirage, the volcano lighting up, and then we stopped at a couple souvenir shops, and dabbity nabbit, after 9 o'clock, it was 9:30 before we got on the road. Yeah, so Hoover Dam really isn't that far from Las Vegas. So even if you're at Las Vegas, go on out and see Hoover Dam. It's pretty amazing. I think it was one of the biggest undertakings the U.S. had ever undertook to build something. I think you'll just have to check that out on your own. Okay. Now here's a couple tips for you too. When you go to Vegas, if you can go Monday through Thursday, it's way cheaper than Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Now we went Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or was it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we decided to stay for Thursday, okay? So that cost us a little bit extra. It was still pretty reasonable. Then Friday, Thursday night, the little guy, my co-pilot on this trip, got sick, and we decided, hey, let's not go back on the road. We better stay where we're at. They wanted to charge, and that was for Friday, okay? So we were staying Friday night, and that was gonna cost us $225. And I thought, good grief. So I talked to a manager, supervisor. He actually got it down lower for us, because I said it was a sick boy, that we'd already extended our stay, blah, blah, blah. And he ended up doing us a favor, supposedly, $168 for one night. And we initially did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for less than $160. And so for one night, it cost us more than 3 nights. And now, don't get caught up in the prices that you see on the internet when they say $23, $25 per night. Well, then there's a surcharge on that, taxes, hotel surcharge. And so for 3 nights would have been like $78. It was actually $152 for 3 nights after all the charges, okay? So there's a few tips for you when visiting Vegas. So here's my last tip of the night. Because we're coming down towards Hoover Dam, it was already 9:30. Saturday night, did we stay another night at Circus? Heck no. That would have been over $225, probably $250 or so. Any hotel in Vegas. So we decided, you know, we're going to Sedona. Let's head out towards Hoover Dam. And right before Hoover Dam, what do you suppose we found? Hoover Dam Lodge. Hoover Dam is only half a mile from here, and the rooms were $99. No surcharges or anything, so it was like $100 to stay for one night, which I thought was pretty reasonable. Had we have stayed at Vegas, it would have cost us an extra $150 for just this one night. And Hoover Dam actually wasn't that far down the road, okay? There's a tip for you. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And my next travel video, where do you suppose I'm gonna show you? And it's just gonna be a quick and dirty. I'm gonna go and we're gonna stop at Hoover Dam. We're spending the night at Hoover Dam Lodge, and it's only, I don't know, half hour, 40-minute drive from Vegas, Las Vegas. And down the road a spell, only another half mile is Hoover Dam. So I'm gonna show that to you on my next video.